All right, go ahead.
Indy, good. Oh, he's nice.
So, you can increase the distance. He's almost 4 months old. Indy! Oh, he's still rewarding right away. We're not worried about sit or anything. He thinks he's smart. Indy! So you see how I turned him with the pager. But again, if they do something like that, I don't want him to think, that he's outguessing me. Oh, that little stinker. All right, go ahead.
Indy, wonderful.
The goal of this is to teach them to respond to verbal commands because they're not verbal. I'm going to put a red bandana on him next time so he'll be easier to spot. Indy! Oh, goodness. Oh, my little chupacabra. All right, go ahead.
Indy, wonder.
All right, let's go ahead and move back a little farther. Just go a direct line, though, of where just keep going. But take your cone, Just put a little more distance in there. Indy! All right, that's good. 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 Good boy. Oh, good boy. Rewarding right away. Good boy. All right, go ahead and kneel down, though. Oh, look at him go. Indy! Oh, and he runs with such purpose. And he's motivated, you guys. He's got, food drive. He's not going to do it just for love, this, that, and the other. Food is very important to little Indy. Food is one of his most important parts of the day. All right, go ahead. So remember, I'm starting that pager slightly before, but this is a great exercise for small dogs. Indy! Oh, look at that little face. All right, so one more time. All right, go ahead. Those little legs. All right, you guys, more updates soon.